Welcome to my channel and my website. First of all, we need to open the EA by double click on it. So in this video, I will focus on only entry parameters. So now let's go one by one option. The first option is the maximum amount of trade, number one, which means that the EA will allow only one trade or one position on a current chart. The next two option is that how much money that you want to risk for your position. There are two options for it. The first one is the specific amount of money. This is my favorite one. I put it for example 100 USD. Okay, and I change this one into zero. If you would like to use the percent of balance, for example 1% of your balance per trade, you should set up it as number one and you change this one into zero. Okay, it's up to your strategy. For me, I change it back. The next option is the trail stop loss types. There are four type of stop loss that you can use: ATR stop loss, back candle stop loss, static stop loss, and stop loss price. Okay, if you select the ATR stop loss, you have to input for the ATR period, for example 14 here, and ATR factors. You might put this one for example 1.5 or 2. It's up to your strategy. Okay, for me 2 is fine. Okay, if you select let's say back candles stop loss, so you have to input the number of back candles. For example, for me I input 5, and the number of bips that the stop loss will be above or below the highest wick. For example, I will demonstrate in detail in next video about this stop loss option. Okay, and the next option will be static stop loss. You have to input the number of bips for the stop loss. For example, you want to place stop loss, let's say 30 bips below or above your entry price. You put it one at 30, 25, or whatever you want. The last options will be stop loss price. It is simple that what price you want the stop loss is at, input it here. The last one is the reward risk ratio. So, how much you want to take the profit? For example, 2 times of risk. So now, at this step, we completed to set up for the entry parameters. Now you hit OK, and the next step is that save is a template. For example, I name it a MT4 Trade Manager EA. You can name whatever you want, as well as you can remember it easily. Okay, so now I believe that we have the template available. Let's see, it is here. Now let's try to open a new currency pair. For example, I open Bitcoin. Okay, yeah. Now open the template. Let me double check right here. Okay, right. It is correct, right? What we okay, sorry. I need to, my template should be back candles, for example. So now I hit OK. I save it again. Okay. For example, in this case, we want to place a buy or a long order, and we want to put the stop loss right after this week. Okay, okay. Now you see it is about 11 or 10 candles, right? Actually 10 candle or 11 candle or even 15 candle is not different. So let's take it, let's say 14. Okay, I press F7. Okay, back candle is there. I put this one 15, and I want to play a buy. Okay, market buy, for example, market buy right here. On this parameter, the volume is already there. Symbol hit OK. Let's see what happened. Yeah, you can see that the order placed and stop loss is just below the lowest wick. Let's see. The volume should be 100 USD. Let's check here. Yeah, it is 99.1 USD, almost 100. It is good. The TB is 2, which means the take profit should be 200 USD. Check it. Yeah, it is 198 USD. So, in summary, you can see that we can plan all these parameters in advance, and then we just simply select a suitable entry that you want. After that, you hit OK. Thank you for watching my video.